Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to replace words in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that if I want to replace this Adam name here, so what I can do here is I will just press Ctrl plus H from my keyboard. Okay, so press Ctrl plus H and then find and replace menu will open up. Okay, and then make sure that you are into this replace tab here, and first of all here it says find what. Okay, so you will enter the name that you want to be replaced. Okay, so in my case I want to replace this name here, so I will enter this name here, and then you will enter the value that you want to appear here. Okay, so let's suppose if I want to replace this name with Williams here, let's suppose, and then you will click on next, and when you will click on next you can see that Excel has selected this cell. Okay, and then you will click on replace, and now you can see that we have replaced Adam with Williams here, and then you will just click on close. So that's how you can basically select and replace words in Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.